has no drug problems or nothing. I bought this junkyard and I never seen anything.
He was telling me, guys, before I started up the camera about how this road had come back, you know, into the junkyard recently, and how when he moved here, he wasn't used to the crime, but there's a lot of crime out here. And you, yesterday you were telling me how you found a 69 Mach 1 in the woods down the road?
Yeah. Well, we even got the title with it. We even know the guy who left it there, but it was too far gone.
Yeah.
My brother just sold his Mach 1 to the doctor. I can't remember the doctor. But he had a pretty original one.
Oops, sorry, Bobby. Got Pesci out here in the yard today with me. He didn't want to stay in the truck.
And we got to really look because there's doors laying everywhere.
You hunting rats, buddy? He's like, I'm gonna find me a rat.
You pile them up. That one would snap their neck.
Look at this old tow mater truck here.
Yeah, international.
Yeah.
I can't bring myself to crush that, but I meet you. That's an L100.
L100.
Like 39 L100, I think.
Wow.
And it was a trailer house mover.
Wow.
Yeah, Jim Gowers had 150 acres right here. It went clear to where Speedway is. But that was 1950.
Wow.
And 52 was called Route 5, and it kind of dead-ended into them tracks. Some tracks were right there. When they dug all that up, there was logs for the railroad ties. Way down there.
Wow.
When they dug this up.
I see doors over there.
Yeah, let's start right there. That's a good thing.
I see the stack of them right there.
That's the same. This whole place, the whole front end, this is covered in pretty much good, mostly good stuff.
Yeah. Country Squire.
This one.
Yeah, those went into the earth there.
Man, these ain't even been sitting here this long. But these were all
No.
trash. But handles and all that still sell. But this one, if it didn't get too hurt, it was pretty good.
It's, for some reason, the green always survives. I don't know what it is.
Yeah.
It's the color or something, but the green seems to always survive. Was it wedged in there?
Without mud.
Yeah.
Went down in.
What are those blue doors? Is that Dodge?
No, I think them are dentside.
No, that's. It's crazy.
And they're van.
Yeah.
It could be Dodge.
Yeah, the floodwaters must have came through here and rolled that.
No,
that sand in?
What done that was all the this corner gets like a swamp since they did that road. Because they got the water. Hopefully they say they got it fixed.
What, the fence? Yeah, it must have fallen down. Another falcon.
No good. You got to get these cars stacked up against there so the wind doesn't fall down.
Yeah.
We got plenty of falcons too, plenty of them.
Yeah, I'm seeing that. Another Ranger.
Yeah, another square body Ranger.
That's a nice one, it looks like.
Yeah, it ain't bad. I couldn't bring myself to smash it up.
There's some dentside.
But they're all junk. They're all handles.
Huh. Couple old Yamahas.
Yeah, we got a few motorcycles. There's not much left.
Oh, this one took a hit and a half right here. Was that a Nash?
Yeah, Rambler Nash. The tree ruined it.
Yeah. Another Galaxy right there.
Yeah.
That's actually a pretty nice one there. Well, it would have been a nice one back in the day before it rusted out.
GT Ranchero right here.
Oh yeah, look at that, guys. Come on, Pesci. Come on, boy. Don't get bit by no snakes. Yeah, there's a collection of doors. Oh, Packard. Look at that Packard.
Yeah, the tree got it too.
Wow. Yeah, the tree is the demise of...
That was driving 9 years ago.
Yeah. Wow.
See the Dodge? Right here.
Oh, yeah,
You
look
ever
at
seen
that.
The little red wagon.
The little red wagon.
But that's a V8 cab over. 4x4 Dodge.
Crazy. Yeah, you don't see those every day.
That's the fastest, look it up, that's the fastest production car ever made.
Oh, really?
Two-wheel drive one. That's the one the guy does the wheelies on them.
Oh, for the little red Express.
Yeah. I didn't know all that shit till I had that.
Yeah, that's kind of how it goes. That's how you learn about cars and trucks, right?
Yeah.
You buy one and then you learn all about it.
But nobody wants one, I can tell you that.
Yeah. No. The only people that want anything from them are the parts. Another Ranchero.
Yeah.
Nice.
Where is that? No.
Come on, Pushy Wayne.
Yeah, see, he ain't hyper at all.
No, he's chill. All he wants to do is be a part of whatever we're doing, and he'll go with the flow.
Did you see the mom and the dad?
No, I never did. My wife, she met the people and bought him. We only paid $700 for him. It was 2 years ago now. Yeah, there's a Falcon station wagon.
Yeah, and that's a shame the tree died.
Is that a two-door? Or
Yeah.
It is a two-door.
Yeah, that's the two-door. No, that's the four-door. The two-door.
Oh, okay.
I
I didn't see a handle on the second door.
You're right. That's just a weed that looks like a light. We got another one right
That's
there.
pretty cool.
There should be a good
There's some
door.
bump side
Yeah,
doors.
that's pretty good, too.
Yeah, that's not bad.
And that's the hood from that GT that used to be stolen. Somebody stole it. I had it. There it is.
Oh yeah, look right there, silver.
It should be a silver driver's door that matches that. It's got the rev nuts for the what you call it, the mirror. But other than that, it was pretty immaculate. There's that caddy.
Oh yeah, 58.
You ever heard of this?
Of what?
Traveler. This is the Traveler or the Vagabond.
By Kaiser?
Yes.
Yeah, I met a customer
We
that
made
had it.
500 of these.
Really?
Yeah.
And it's holding up well. Like I don't see any
Pretty deep.
rot in the roof or anything. Still got the engine.
Well, you know, you cooked your food on the motor as you drove down the road.
I seen that before.
I got
Yeah.
the pan, everything. The bed rails are still pretty good in it.
Yeah.
It's a three-door car. This is for the spare tire. And the hood opens up, the bumper flips down, you eat your food, and then you sleep in the back.
It was for the traveling businessman,
Well, they
the salesman, right?
Said, yeah, they said they'd come to Florida with $20 and 2 shirts, and they didn't change either.
Yeah.
They were huge.
Wow, some nice stuff in here, man. That's a 58 El Dorado?
I think so, yeah. 2-door.
Wow.
I believe most of the front clip is sitting in the front.
Wow. That's definitely a rare car right there.
It needs a good home. We got a title.
That might be one worth building right there, actually. Yeah, 65 doors for like that short bed across the road.
Well, see that? Yeah, I think it goes well. You can't see if there's a cab sitting on top of that Onyx box. I think it's that box.
Oh, the Dodge.
Yeah,
I see it when I drive by. That you could see it from the road, you know. Good. More Falcons.
Yeah, there's like 6 of them right there. That's see that body of truck right there, that 96 Chevy. Those are going good. So are these, like what you're driving. Just drove in here.
Yeah.
Yeah, this one's pretty nice here.
Yeah, that one looks
I
good.
got the tires, but I ain't sold nothing off of it.
Yeah, that one's nice.
And it drives and runs. Needs a good home. Because those trucks now, they're 5-6 grand. I cannot believe it.
Yeah,
I destroyed 3 of them doing the Junkyard.
Yeah.
Here's a Lincoln.
Yeah, the old stinking Lincoln.
It had a 460 in it.
And a nice outhouse.
No, you don't know what that is?
Toll booth?
No.
Shit.
Railroad house.
Railroad house. Okay.
But that was the black school
Oh, really?
for 5A Junction.
That was the school for blacks?
For the railroad, I guess. You know, they hauled it along with the railroad.
Oh, so if you were black and you worked for the railroad, your kid went to school at
you lived in them. Not if you were black, Chinese, white, everybody lived in them. But that's what. When 5A Junction left here, this was the schoolhouse sitting right here.
Wow.
That's the train station behind my other junk road that refall caved in the back. That was where you bought your ticket. That was 1917. And there was more people here than in Tampa, Brooksville, Orlando. There was 60,000 people living here doing the pine. They had logs so big, 3 of them on one train car, and they got it on there with mules. Pretty cool pictures.
Wow. I have to
You'd
check
have hated
that
to
out.
fought the guy who chopped that down with an axe. Because they were like 7-8 feet around. Well, we got a stump here.
The old Lincoln over there.
You know, it's kind of gotten buried from all the water. There's a stump here where you can park a car on.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
That wide?
That was right here.
Damn. It's crazy how many things can be done on one piece of land over the years, you know?
Well, at one time, like this, you know, there were stores, all kinds of stuff. There's another one of them railroad houses right there. See?
Right. Someone lives in that house?
No, they live in the cabin.
In that cabin?
Yeah, he's a Vietnam vet, and he's still alive. He's at a home now. He was getting up there, but he got like, dementia or something.
Yeah.
But he's still alive, but his kids have been kind of refurbishing it and stuff.
Nice yard, man. A lot of cool stuff in here. You don't see yards like this anymore.
They're a thing of the past. There's only 7 left in Casco that got a grandfather junk license. See, you can't do this on a regular.
So you
Now you got to have to be inside of a building to dismantle.
Yeah, when I was younger, my uncle owned a junkyard in Riverview called Can-Am.
Yeah.
And this is what I grew up in right here.
But he sold it out when
he passed away.
Who got it?
And my Aunt Rose got it, and then she sold it to a friend of hers, and then now it's a neighborhood called Ridge Point or something like that. They developed the whole place, you know. It's kind of how it goes.
Yes, it does.
Yeah, that Dodge cab's pretty cool. I see it all the time when I'm driving by. See if I can zoom in on it. You guys can check it out.
But I got some of them unibody cords back they're not a very big seller either.
The unibody Ford? Yeah.
I like them 4-door Plymouth seat. I should throw all them out.
Come on, boy.
But I swore I had the other door.
Well, that gold one and that other one will do. The 2 gold ones. And,
Oh, you need 4 doors?
huh?
You need 4?
Well, I could buy 4. Because I sure don't want to have to find 2 more doors one day.
You'll clean my whole door inventory out if you needed to. And don't forget, keep it in your back of your mind. If you ever do a perfect one where they're not worried about money, you can make some, $1,000 a piece doors out of them big ones.
Yeah, I might buy those.
They're perfect, and they save fishing on them and all that.
Yeah.
The sun's never hit.
And then there's the Dodge truck from the outside. Show you guys over here. So when you're driving down the road, that's what you see, that Dodge swept side cab sitting up there on top of that Connex box. Expansion.